So you've just completed your first chiropractic visit and you're feeling so much better. You might be tempted to ask yourself, well, can I just like stop coming in? Am I good? If I'm feeling better, why do I need to keep coming in? The reason for that is because unfortunately pain is usually the last symptom to show and the first to go. What that means is if let's say you've been having a problem in the low back, but you just started feeling pain a week ago, likely what caused your pain did not just start a week ago. People will say like, I just bent down and tied my shoes and then I got pain. It wasn't tying the shoes. That was like the straw that broke the camel's back. You've been having either postural issues or something wrong in your day-to-day activities or whatever the reason might be that's been building up over years. So we usually tell patients about these phases of care. People that come in with pain are usually in the relief phase, which means our goal right now is to get you out of pain. We do that, we succeed, that's great, but we're not done because we don't want the issue to come back. So that's why we transition people through the phases of care, the corrective, strengthening, and hopefully wellness, to make sure that when you're good to go, when you leave here, the pain doesn't come back. So bear with the treatment plan for a little bit, and we promise that the root of the problem will be fixed.